Meanwhile, schools reopened on Sunday, the first day of the weeks in Bangladesh, despite a continuing heat wave. This reopening comes despite a warning from the weather department about the temperature climbing above 40 degrees Celsius in the days ahead. School administration have said due to the recent holidays to mark Ramadan and Eid ul-Fitr, along with the extended leave for the heat alert, academic activities have been hampered. We will try our best to catch up till the government provides the next directive, principal of the girls' school said. The country's education department have said daily assemblies will not be held until further notice, and the portion of school activities held outside the classroom and exposed to sunlight will be limited. However, parents are still worried about the health of their children.
না বাচ্চা আমার ছোটটা তো আগে ছুটি হয়ে যায়, বড়টার দেরিতে ছুটি হয়, বসে থাকে, অনেক কষ্ট। মানে আমার বাসা আরো দূরে, অনেক কষ্ট। গরম, পুরা গরমে আসতে হয়, আবার পুরা গরমে যাইতে হয়, রাস্তায় প্রচুর গরম। আমার বাসে যাতায়াত করতে হয়, অনেক গরম।